Are you a provider looking for a first-rate MSK ultrasound injection course in the Nashville metro area? Well, look no further than R3 Medical Training. For over 9 years, R3 Medical Training has been offering the top-of-the-line CME accredited extremity or spine MSK ultrasound courses. Now, why choose R3? Well, I look at the value triangle that we offer. Now, first and foremost on the value triangle is our CME accreditation and the quality of our faculty. These are individuals who do ultrasound for a living. They don't do it like as a hobby, and they've done thousands of hours of procedures using ultrasound for extremities, spine, and a lot of them also do ultrasound for, abdomen and other areas of the body. But needless to say, you'll be in good hands. They're very personable. They'll answer all of your questions and go over the repetition needed to cement that skill set in your brain. So when you move down the triangle to the second aspect, it's hands-on. A lot of these courses out there, they use cadavers, or you don't get that real-time feedback, and it's essential to, once again, cementing that skill set so that you can remember it as you get back to your practice. Now, R3 Medical Training has real patients that come in for these courses. A lot of times they're military veterans getting free treatment, or maybe paying patients. And under the supervision of our expert faculty, you can participate in these procedures. There's nothing like getting real tactile feedback from individuals with a real story. Like, here's the symptoms I've been having, here's the treatments I've had, and you can do the diagnostic ultrasound. You can see the rotator cuff tear, how large it is. You can see the calcifications. You can see the real pathology is what I'm getting at. And when you go back to your practice and you're doing these procedures, it'll give you that much more confidence when you remember,